Today, you are going to create your first Ordinary Animator project.
Sounds exciting. Where do I start?
Go to ordinaryanimator.com and log in. You will be taken to the Projects page. Start by creating a new project. If this is your first project, the New Project button will be in the middle of the screen. If you have a previous project, the button will be at the top right of the project list. Click on the button to create a new project.
It's asking me for a project name. Does it matter what I pick?
You can pick any name. To help separate important projects from experiments, I often put a word like experiment or learning in the project name.
Why is it asking me which template to use for this project?
Templates have some characters, locations, and a sample screenplay already added to the project for you. These are useful for learning. When you start building your own projects, you will normally start from a blank project. Select the Julie and Sally template.
Hey, that's us. Did I get cloned by aliens or something?
Sally, I am just as real as you. Don't worry about it. Once the project is created, you will be taken to a list of episodes. The template may be updated from time to time to add new sample episodes. Let's start with the tutorial 1-foot episode.
Oh, it's showing me the screenplay on my screen now. Oh, it's a Courier font. That looks strange and old-fashioned. Isn't this new modern software?
Ordinary Animator follows popular traditions for screenplays. Use of Courier fonts is one of those traditions, as is the indentation used for scene headings, actions and camera instructions, and dialogue.
I want to see my avatar on the screen do something. Quick, what do I click?
You really have no patience, do you, Sally? On the right of the screenplay is a list of scenes. If you click on the arrow to the right, it will open that scene.
I clicked it, but the page is blank. Why is there an orange button at the top of the page?
Orange buttons are used for important actions that you probably want to take. It's to warn you that something needs updating.
Can I click it now? Can I?
Generally, yes. Ordinary Animator takes the screenplay text and uses artificial intelligence, or AI for short, to assemble assets for your scene. This can take a little while to perform, so you can edit and think about your changes before generating a new set of directions for the scene.
Does the AI make up the screenplay itself as well?
Ordinary Animator believes humans write the best stories. AI can be a useful tool in that process, but you can do that outside Ordinary Animator. Our focus is on AI to speed up workflows, not replace human creativity.
Oh, it says it's loading assets now. This is taking a while.
Yes, your web browser is downloading a number of 3D assets to your device. This can take a while to complete, especially the first time you open the project. Once complete, the scene will automatically start playing.
Hey, it's me. But it does not show my best side. Oh, there is another orange button at the top of the page. Should I press that one too?
Yes. In this case, it has found lines of dialogue without audio files. We use AI to synthesize audio from lines of dialogue for you. Click the button and it will generate audio files for all lines of dialogue that currently do not have audio files.
It's finished, but I still don't hear anything.
By default, audio is muted and captions are shown instead. In the top right of the screen, there are icons to hide and show captions, as well as mute and unmute the audio. Click to unmute the audio.
That is pretty cool. They even replicated my voice pretty accurately.
Well, one day, let's have a nice little chat about that, Sally. But how about we leave it at that today? We can get into more in our next session.
Oh, No, you can't stop now. It is just getting interesting.
Well, we have many more lessons, but if you want to try one thing by yourself, try to return to the previous screenplay page and edit the screenplay text. Change one of the words of dialogue, save it, then come back to the scene page. But don't worry, we are going to go into this in more detail in the next tutorial.